Hello traders, welcome once again to the new video by Flash Trade 1. In this video I am going to show you an XM Global real account, and you can see that this is the only account which is being logged in into this MT4, and I am updating this account for the first time, so keep your eye on this account because I will update this account once the higher profit is being made on the account. This account deposit is $10,000 with the profit of $14,500 in time period of 1 month. Before I start or before we see the account history of this account, I will show you that company do own the trading access of this account. This is our client account who joined our mirror trading service with a high risk of trading and with high reward. So I'm placing a Euro USD trade with 0.01 lot size, just because here you can check the lot size. They are with 0.12 or 0.15. So to make the difference, I'm placing an order with 0.01 lot size in Euro USD, and I'm clicking on a sell, and you can see that a sell order with 0.12 here is being placed. 0.01 lot size just now on 12th of December 2020, and loss of minus $0.10 is going on now. Now I will go into the account history, where you can see that the deposit on the account is $10,000. The profit on the account is $14,500 and withdrawal is of $750. I will move up and I will show you the deposit date. You can see that the deposit date is 2nd of November, and you clearly see the order ID. As I will update this account second time, will verify with the order ID that the account is the same one, 88185065. Check the both, and this is the order ID of 10,000 deposit. And now we'll keep our eye on trading lot size. You can see that the trading lot size, when we started the trading on the account, was consistent 0.1. later it increased as profit increased. Here the pure compounding is being used, so if the profit will increase, then the lot size will also increase. If the profit will decrease, then lot size will decrease gradually. So started from 0.1 lot size, it reached 0.2. When it reached to 0.2, it shows that trading capital increased from 1.10k to $20k, because the lot size increased from 0.1 to 0.2. So we are thinking it in proportional way. Now we'll go down, and maximum lot size that was being traded on this account was, we'll keep checking. The maximum lot size which was being traded on this account was 0.31, as you can see. Later we done the withdrawal, so lot size is going to decrease automatically, and then the lot size again decreased to 0.12, just because there were some losses in the account. So as I have told that with profit, the trading lot size will also decrease on this account. Now I'll explain the strategy which is being used on this account. Here you can see that 6 trading pairs are being traded on this account, which is Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, USD JPY and Euro JPY. Out of 6 trading pairs, the 5 are the major pairs which do have volatility and which are the most liquid pairs. We are using our multiple in one or 20 in one trend indicator, and we are using our supply and demand indicator to trade on this account. Greeding is being used on this account with a gap of 10 to 15 pips. It means that let's just suppose that GBP is running at 33 10 as of now. So we'll place the order with 0.1 lot size. Now GBP hiked to 20, then our lot size will increase. Again we'll place the second order with 0.1 lot size, then the price increased to 3330. Then again we'll place one more order with 0.1 lot size. So this is called the gridding, which is being applied on this account. Human cannot do it, because with every 10 pips a human cannot place the order. So this is a completely automated trading based on our trend indicator and our supply and demand indicator. Here the grading is done with basically 0.1 lot size. Now risk and reward on this account is 1:1. Accuracy minimum we are expecting it to be 50%. Profit earned right now is of $14,500. Holding, here complete holding trades are there. There are no scalping used. Risk of 20 to 30% on the capital. It means that there is possibility that the client might lose $2,000 to $3,000 from capital of $10,000. But if anyone is getting the profit of 14,000 per month or 14,000 per month, then this loss is easy to digest. It is fine. And this strategy is not for those who want the profit of 5% to 7% in the month, but this strategy is for those clients who can risk their capital along with making the high profit. And as we have already discussed that the compounding lot size is being used in this account. Now we'll move into the statement of this account, where you can see that this is the statement, and here you can see that the order ID is same 88185065. so this is the same account as we have seen before. And I will move directly down and we'll check each and every points of this account. First of all, we'll see over here that average profit and loss. You can see that the average profitable trades is 25% and loss trade is minus 23. So the profit made on the account is of $25 while loss made on the account is of $23. Also check the, let me 1 second, I'll go down and you can check over here that the consecutive loss and consecutive wins, here the consecutive wins are 4% while consecutive wins are 4 and consecutive losses is 2. So it means that we can combine both of this, the average profit and consecutive wins. It means that 4 consecutive profit is being made of $25 and then 2 loss trades will come. So until the consecutive wins is more than the consecutive loss, then the profit is 100% sure on the account. You can confirm say that there is the profit on the account. Also check the drawdown on the account, which is the 4%, 4.90%, which is the relative drawdown, while maximum drawdown and relative drawdown is different thing. Now also check here that total trades on the account is 1796, where profitable trades are 1162 and loss trades are just 634. Now if we see the per day trading, then 1796 total trades in 30 days. It means that 59 trades per day, 59 trades per day. 1796 total trades with 30 trading days means 59 trades per day, placing the 59 trades per day in 6 trading pairs by human is not possible. So you can imagine, or you can count that here the automized system is used, and to apply the same automized system in your MT4 account, ask our executive. They will guide you that what to do to get the same profit of 14,500. You can see here 14,500 in just 1 month, which is equals to 145%. So if you think, then this is the high return with risk of 20% to 30% in your trading account. Planning on this account is to reach $1 million. Right now the profit is 14,500. Our target is 1 million on this account. If client will keep reinvesting the profit, if the client will manage with us, if he will compromise something with us, but we would reach the profit of 1 million with capital reinvestment. Yes, you can withdraw some profit, but majority of your profit should be reinvested. And the reason behind getting the 14,500 profit is just the consecutive wins, consecutive loss, along with profit trades and the loss trades. So understand this. Now at the end I would like to explain the summary of the account. This is the summary of the account, where you can see that this was the account of $10,000. 14, almost, let's say that 1796 trades were being placed on this account. So per day trades, profit per day is of 14,000, and if we divided by 30, then $470 profit every day. And if we speak about trade wise, then 1796 trades with 30 days, so 59 trades per day. Fees, or to connect the same strategy in your MT4, you need to pay the 2,500 fees, and this fees is only if the slot is available. If the slot is not available, then the fees will increase directly to the 5,000. And if you see, then this fees will be covered or will be recovered in less than 1 week of time. Also, if let's suppose that you have an account of 100k, then your per day profit will be 5,000, and the fees to connect the 100k account is 15,000. So your fees again will be covered in 2 to 3 trading days. So this is how the strategy is being applied on the account. I will update the account once again when the more profit is being done on the account. And to get the notification that I am updating this account, you need to subscribe our YouTube channel, so you will get the notification, you will get the alert once I will upload the new video, so you don't miss this. You don't miss the opportunity to watch our account, to see our strategy, to see our trading, to see the profit. So just talk with our executive now to get the same kind of profit in your account. And goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.